Welcome to my class, dear learners. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty God. Dear learners, we are facing a serious problem, that is COVID 19. In this time, it has taken an epidemic form. Every day, it has taken away many valuable lives. Dear learners, I advise you to stay home, use mask, use sanitizer, and maintain social distance in order to save yourselves from this disease. At first, I would like to introduce myself. This is Himanshu Shaha, assistant teacher of English Port Secondary School, Khulna. Dear learners, welcome to my online class. I hope you are staying at home and your preparing your lessons. Dear students or dear viewers, I would like to thank all of my viewers, all of the honorable teachers, all of the guardians who are watching this video. Dear learners, I am here to take an English class. This class has been specially designed for the students of class 9 and 10. Today I am going to discuss some rules on narration, that is direct or indirect speech. Dear learners, I request you or order you to bring some papers, to open your notebook and bring a pen so that you can take notes whenever necessary. Dear learners, I will show you some slides. Now enjoy the class. Welcome. Teacher's identity: Himanshu Shah, assistant teacher, English, Port Secondary School, Khulna. Lesson identity: class 9 and 10, subject English, second paper, narration or direct and indirect speech. What have you imagined by the text? Inverted comma, good morning Rupa, inverted comma, closed, said Shoel, comma, inverted comma, start. How much preparation have you taken for the upcoming SSC exam? A great preparation, replied she. I hope I shall get 90 plus marks in every subject. How confident you are, said Shoel. What have you imagined by the text? Lesson identity. Lesson identity, passage narration. That is passage narration. Learning outcomes. After studied this lesson, students will be able to change the narration of passages, including all types of sentences and expression. Passage narration. Rule 1. At first, you have to read the whole passage to identify the speaker and the audience. Then you have to determine the mood of the verb in their speeches. Example, will you come with me? Said Priya to Ria. I will come, said Ria. Direct. Priya asked Ria if she would come with her. Ria replied that she would come. Indirect. Passage narration rule 2. When the reporting verb is placed in the middle or at the last of the sentence while converting it into indirect, you have to put it after the subject in starting of the sentence. Example, where do you live? Said Tina. I live at Dhanmondi, said Trina. Direct. Tina asked Rina where she lived. Rina replied that she lived at Dhanmondi. Indirect. Rule 3. If reported speech has only yes, then subject plus replied in the affirmative or subject plus auxiliary verb is used, and if reported speech has other speech after yes, then subject plus replied in the affirmative and said that is used. Example, I said to him, have you done the math? Yes, I have also done another one, he said. Direct. I asked him if he had done the math. He replied in the affirmative, or he said that he had, and he said that he had also done another one. Indirect. Rule 4. If reported speech has only no, then subject plus replied in the negative or subject plus auxiliary verb plus not is used, and if reported speech has another space after no, then subject plus replied in the negative and said that is used. Example, I said to him, have you done the math? No, I will do it later, he said. Direct. I asked him if he had done the math. He replied in the negative, or he said that he had not, and he said that he would do it later. Indirect. Rule number 5. When direct speech has sir, the indirect speech will use with respect or respectfully or politely instead of sir. Example, the student said to the teacher, sir, will you teach me the math? Direct. The student asked the teacher respectfully if he would teach him the math, or the student respectfully asked the teacher if he would teach him the math. Indirect. Rule number 6. If someone is addressed in the direct speech, the indirect speech will use addressing as. Example, are you okay? Tony said Pew. Direct. Addressing as Tony, Pew asked if she was okay. Indirect. Rule number 7. If outside the inverted comma reporting space has asked, it will be used after the subject in the indirect space. Example, are you coming? Asked Rina, looking at me. You may join me when I, Rina said. Direct. Looking at me, comma, Rina asked if I was going. She suggested me to join her when she would go. Indirect. Rule number 8. When reported speech has note of interrogation after an assertive sentence, the indirect speech will use being surprised before the reporting verb. Example, he said to me, you did it. Note of interrogation, direct. Being surprised, he asked me if I had done it. Indirect. Rule number 9. When reported speech has thank, the indirect speech will use reported verb subject plus thank plus reported verbs object. Use reported when reported speech has thank, the indirect speech will use reported verb subject plus thanked plus reported verbs object. Example, Karim said to me, thank you. Direct. Karim thanked me. Indirect. Rule number 10. If reported speech has goodbye, the indirect speech will use reported verbs object, reported verbs subject plus bed plus reported verbs object plus goodbye. I repeat, if reported speech has goodbye, the indirect speech will use reported verbs subject plus bed plus reported verbs object plus goodbye. Example, she said Lira goodbye. Direct. She bade Lira goodbye. Indirect. Rule number 11. If reported speech has a good night, good morning or good evening, the indirect speech will use reported verbs subject plus wished plus reported verbs object plus good night or good morning or good evening. Example, he said to her good evening. Direct. Indirect, he wished her good evening. Rule number 12. Sometimes reported speech doesn't have a complete sentence. In those cases, you have to follow the speaker's speech in direct speech to get the full meaning. Example, 30 taka, the salesman said to me. Direct. The salesman told to me it had been 30 taka. Indirect. Rule number 13. Often reported speech doesn't mention the speaker and the listener. In these cases, you have to mention the speaker and the listener while transforming it into indirect speech. Example, what are you doing now? I am writing an article. Direct. The speaker asks the listener what he was doing. Then The listener replied that he or she was writing an article indirect. Rule number 14. If reported speech has asked or cried or replied or muttered, the reporting verb in the indirect speech will be unchanged. Example, help me, he cried, direct. He cried to help him, indirect. Homework. Now it is time to give a homework. Homework number 1. Change the following into indirect speech. Once I said to a sweet little girl, what's your mother's name? She replied cleverly, I know my mother's name, but I won't tell you that. I said, what a clever girl you are. I don't tell my mother's name to anybody whom I don't know. She spoke with an air of confidence. Homework 2. Good morning, Rupa, said Shoel. How much preparation have you taken for the upcoming exam, SSC exam? A great preparation, replied she. I hope I shall get 90 plus marks in every subject. How confident you are, said Shoel. And now, homework number 3. Rewrite the following passage in the indirect speech. You look a little bit like my mother, he said, especially in the dark by the fire. But you were only 4, Jerry. When you come here, you have remembered how she looked all these years. My mother lives in Manhill, he said. Dear learners, stay home, stay safe. Dear learners, due to worldwide corona pandemic, we all are passing our days with great concern. I suggest you to stay at home with 100% cleanliness of the surroundings and pass your time studying books. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.